The Miller Century 5230 is a formidable towing and recovery machine engineered to confront the toughest roadside challenges with absolute confidence. Built for demanding heavy-duty operations, this integrated wrecker showcases the raw strength and precision engineering behind modern recovery trucks. Featuring a massive boom, powerful high-capacity winches, and an extended underlift reach, the Century 5230 is purpose-built for lifting, towing, and recovering large vehicles that ordinary wreckers simply cannot handle. Its design emphasizes durability, balance, and precise operator control, allowing recovery crews to perform efficiently even in high-pressure environments. Advanced hydraulic systems, versatile control options, and a rugged modular body clearly demonstrate how recovery technology continues to evolve. Whether responding to highway incidents, commercial breakdowns, or complex accident scenes, the Century 5230 stands as a bold symbol of innovation that helps keep traffic flowing and operations safe. This truck is not only about raw power. It represents intelligent engineering, crafted specifically for real-world recovery work. Soil King Extreme. Some machines look powerful before they even start moving. The Soil King Extreme is one of them. Its massive proportions, rugged construction, and intimidating presence make the truck feel built for conditions most vehicles would never survive. Everything about it seems engineered for raw strength rather than comfort or style. Bide and Pininfarina have teamed up to create the Exing 2, an electric truck focused on aerodynamics and smart systems. The engineers achieved an aerodynamic drag coefficient of just 0.35 for context. The Tesla Model E's coefficient is 0.32. The truck's smart systems are equally impressive, using cameras, lasers, and sensors to detect obstacles up to 1 kilometer away. While its 300-kilometer range might seem modest, consider this: the battery fully charges in just an hour, and it can be swapped for a new one in 6 minutes. Volvo VNR. The Volvo VNR proves that modern trucks are starting to feel more futuristic than ever. Its sleek aerodynamic design already looks different from traditional semi-trucks, but the advanced technology inside makes it even more impressive. With a quiet cabin, premium interior, and versions available as fully electric models, the VNR feels less like an old-school work truck and more like the next generation of long-haul transportation. BPW's active reverse control is a breakthrough technology that completely transforms how trailers behave while reversing. Traditionally, self-steering axles greatly improve maneuverability when moving forward, but they typically lock when backing up, making reverse driving awkward, slow, and frustratingly imprecise. ARC eliminates this limitation by actively steering the axle during reverse motion, allowing far smoother, more confident control. Much like guiding a powered vehicle instead of dragging a passive trailer, using advanced electronic signals and precise hydraulic power, the system continuously adjusts wheel angles based on sensor input, including a gyroscope, tachometer, and steering angle detector. It works seamlessly with both air suspension systems and disc or drum brakes, supporting axle loads from 19,842 to 26,455 pounds. Depending on the trailer configuration, the system can control 2 or 4 steerable axles, with steering angles reaching up to 18 degrees, and in some models, an impressive 27 degrees. A shortage of truck drivers is a growing problem in many countries. For instance, Germany alone is short by about 1,000,000 professionals. While employers search for new drivers, companies like Evoc Cargo offer a different solution. They don't just supply autonomous vehicles, they provide a comprehensive system. Evoc Cargo's solution excels at short trips, such as within warehouse complexes. Small N1 electric vehicles handle the cargo, traveling up to 200 kilometers on a full charge while carrying loads of up to 2 tons. These vehicles can operate 24/7 if necessary, reducing transportation costs by an impressive 30%. Chimera truck. At first glance, the Chimera truck barely even looks real. The machine combines futuristic styling with an aggressive design that makes it feel closer to a movie prop than a traditional truck. From the unusual body shape to the intimidating presence on the road, everything about this build was clearly designed to attract attention and look unlike anything else around it. The Ram half-pipe tipper semi-trailer is a clever bulk transport solution designed for fast, clean, and highly efficient material dumping. Its distinctive curved half-pipe body allows loads such as sand, gravel, soil, and aggregates to flow out smoothly during tipping, reducing leftover residue and dramatically speeding up unloading on busy job sites. Unlike traditional box-shaped tippers, the rounded interior prevents material buildup and helps maintain greater stability while the trailer is lifting. Built for demanding construction and mining environments, this semi-trailer features rugged steel construction and a dependable hydraulic tipping system engineered to handle extremely heavy loads with confidence. The half-pipe design also distributes weight more evenly across the structure, improving stability and supporting safer transport over long distances. While most people associate Tesla with passenger cars like the Model 3 or the Angular Cybertruck, the company also produces semi-trailers. Since 2022, Elon Musk's firm has been manufacturing the Tesla Semi, an electric truck. Tesla believes the future of trucking is electric. One of the key advantages is cost savings. Charging the Semi is 50% cheaper than fueling a diesel truck for every 6 kilometers driven. Over 3 years, this could lead to savings of $150,000. In terms of range, the Semi can travel up to 805 kilometers on a single charge. And if a time-sensitive delivery is needed, a fully loaded Semi can accelerate from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in just 20 seconds. Lefort SB 660A. Most people would probably back away if they saw this machine operating up close. The Lefort SB 660A was built for one purpose: destroying massive amounts of metal with brutal efficiency. Armed with an enormous hydraulic system and crushing force powerful enough to rip apart entire vehicles, this thing feels more like an industrial beast than a normal machine on wheels. The DAF Digital Vision System is a cutting-edge camera-based mirror replacement developed for the latest generation of DAF trucks, delivering a remarkable upgrade in visibility, safety, and overall driving efficiency. Instead of relying on conventional side mirrors, the system uses high-resolution cameras mounted above the cab doors, transmitting crystal-clear real-time images to 2 large displays, positioned neatly along the A-pillars. This intelligent setup creates a noticeably wider field of view, dramatically reduces blind spots, and significantly improves the driver's awareness of cyclists, pedestrians, and surrounding traffic. One of its most impressive features is auto-panning. When the truck turns while pulling a trailer, the system automatically follows the trailer's rear movement, ensuring the driver always maintains clear visibility along the entire vehicle side. The cameras are built to withstand harsh weather and include heating elements that prevent fogging or ice buildup, ensuring reliable performance in all conditions. Have you ever imagined what trucks of the future might look like? If not, take a moment to check out this concept from Artemis Studio. Traditional semi-trailers may seem stuck in the past, but this model distinguishes itself with its futuristic, sleek design. Naturally, it's a self-driving vehicle. Instead of a human behind the wheel, a mix of radars, sensors, and cameras keeps the truck aware of its surroundings. What's more, this vehicle doesn't need brakes for meals or rest, enabling it to deliver goods faster. It's electric too, staying in step with modern trends. The cap's design isn't just stylish, it also redistributes weight onto the front axle, enhancing the truck's stability. Reliable carriers. Custom transport truck. Most car haulers are easy to ignore. The Reliable Carrier's custom transport truck definitely isn't. Built to transport rare exotic cars across the country, this massive enclosed hauler combines luxury styling with heavy-duty engineering, making the entire machine feel just as valuable as the vehicles inside. Gorilla LED Trucks proudly specializes in powerful mobile LED screen trucks engineered for bold, high-impact advertising, unforgettable brand activations, and large-scale event promotions. These striking digital billboards on wheels are perfectly suited for exciting product launches, grand openings, live-streamed events, and attention-grabbing public campaigns. Each truck is equipped with ultra-bright, multi-sided LED panels, capable of showcasing vivid videos, dynamic graphics, and real-time broadcasts from virtually every angle. With as little as 4 hours notice, these impressive trucks can be rapidly deployed to high-traffic locations, delivering remarkable flexibility and eye-catching visibility. As the world's largest wholesale and retail chain, Walmart operates over 100,000 stores across 24 countries. This massive operation generates billions in revenue and demands top-notch logistics. Unsurprisingly, Walmart decided to develop its own truck. The first prototype resulted from a collaboration between Walmart, Peterbilt, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailers, and Capstone Turbine. This truck features sleek aerodynamics and a hybrid engine with electric components. While it primarily runs on diesel, it can also use compressed or liquefied natural gas and biofuels. Additionally, the trailer, made almost entirely of carbon fiber, weighs 8 tons less than conventional designs. Bolt Custom Coaches Artemis 17S1. Most trucks are built for work. The Artemis 17S1 feels like a luxury apartment disguised as a heavy-duty machine. What makes it even more surprising is the massive living space hidden inside its compact body. This thing looks less like a truck and more like a futuristic home on wheels. The Hammer 110 is a powerful high-capacity side loader engineered for efficient, flexible container handling in demanding transport operations. With a safe working load of up to 79,366 pounds, it delivers impressive lifting strength while maintaining a comparatively low tare weight of roughly 18,300 to 18,520 pounds, making it noticeably lighter than many competing systems. One of its most remarkable features is the unique double-action support leg system. In steepover mode, the legs extend up to 10.5 feet, allowing the machine to reach over another chassis for smooth container transfers or precise stacking. In sledge mode, the legs extend about 6.6 feet, enabling faster ground-level handling in tighter operational spaces. The Hammer 110 is designed to handle 20-foot, 30-foot, and 45-foot containers and can be configured with advanced options such as high cube stacking capability, Mega Reach extendable cranes, or top spreaders for specialized operations. Safety is strengthened by the Safety Plus monitoring system, which ensures accurate load control and dependable performance during lifting tasks. Power can be supplied through truck hydraulics, an independent power pack, or electric alternatives, making the Hammer 110 an exceptionally versatile and future-ready solution for modern global transport demands. The KAMAZ Jupiter 30 is also seeing continuous enhancements. Last year, this dump truck made an appearance at the Inoprom Kazakhstan Industrial Exhibition. What makes it stand out? For starters, its 30-ton payload and lack of a driver's cab. It's an unmanned model. The truck uses data from radars, sensors, antennas, and cameras to navigate. It's highly maneuverable, with both axles pivoting and each equipped with its own traction motor. The vehicle features an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine and has a speed limit of 56 km per hour. Interestingly, the Jupiter 30 is just the first model in this series, with potentially even more advanced versions on the horizon. Scania wood chip truck. At first glance, the Scania wood chip truck looks like a standard forestry hauler. Then you realize how enormous this machine actually is. Built to carry massive volumes of wood chips across long distances, the truck combines huge cargo capacity with surprisingly stable handling, making it both efficient and strangely satisfying to watch on the road. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the most fascinating machines I have ever encountered. This remarkable piece of industrial engineering is built to transport massive, awkward loads, weighing up to 71,650 pounds, while lifting materials roughly 63 inches off the ground. When carrying a heavy load, it moves carefully and steadily at about 12 to 14 miles per hour. Yet when traveling empty, it can accelerate slightly faster, reaching around 15 miles per hour. Kodiak robotics might not make headlines often, but their contributions to safer and more reliable self-driving trucks are exceptional. Meet Kodiak Driver, a suite of technologies designed to handle even the most challenging conditions. A truck equipped with Kodiak Driver not only provides a 360-degree traffic assessment, but also performs self-diagnostics. Imagine a tire suddenly blowing out. The Kodiak Driver system would react immediately, bringing the truck to a smooth stop while staying in its lane and activating emergency alerts. It's also invaluable in heavy traffic, preventing collisions with lane-changing vehicles or motorcyclists weaving between cars. Clearly, Kodiak Robotics is at the forefront of crucial advancements in autonomous trucking. Most tow trucks are built to recover broken vehicles. The Holmes DTU was built to recover machines. Most tow trucks could never even move. Known for its enormous towing capability and heavy-duty construction, this massive recovery vehicle became legendary for handling extreme jobs involving buses, military vehicles, and oversized trucks. Everything about it feels engineered for pure strength and durability. This company also produces advanced city wash systems. One impressive example is essentially a powerful street cleaning setup, mounted on a compact utility vehicle known as the Movo. The vehicle itself is powered by a dependable diesel engine, producing about 109 horsepower, and it can reach speeds of roughly 37 miles per hour. Its steering system can switch between multiple modes, including a crab-like movement that allows the vehicle to glide sideways and maneuver smoothly through extremely tight spaces. Imagine needing to transport something colossal and immensely heavy, like a furnace module for a plastics manufacturing plant. These modules can weigh over 8,000 tons and stand as tall as the Statue of Liberty. That's where Mammoet's SPMT self-propelled modular transporter comes into play. These transporters are incredibly robust, with a single axle capable of carrying up to 44 tons. They're available in 4, 5, 6, and 8 axle configurations and can even be linked together, perfect for logistics experts handling complex transport operations. Remarkably, every wheel on the Mammoet SPMT can rotate 360 degrees, and the platform offers a lifting capability of 60 centimeters. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of our journey. U.D. Quon. The U.D. Quon was designed to make heavy-duty trucking feel smarter and more efficient. Rather than relying only on brute strength, the truck focuses heavily on driver comfort, fuel economy, and advanced safety technology. With its modern cabin layout and smooth aerodynamic styling, the Quon feels built for a newer generation of commercial transport. Meanwhile, Freightliner engineers continue advancing the Supertruck project, an ultra-efficient diesel truck. Yes, you heard that right. It's not hydrogen-powered or electric, but instead runs on diesel. They've already achieved some significant milestones. For example, the Supertruck 2, with a gross weight of 37 tons, can travel 100 kilometers at around 104 kilometers per hour, consuming less than 18 liters of fuel. This marks nearly a 6% improvement in fuel savings compared to the first Supertruck. Engineers have also reduced aerodynamic drag by 12% and incorporated a self-adjusting ground clearance system. Together, these enhancements contribute to remarkable fuel efficiency. It's no wonder this initiative is supported by the US Department of Energy. The Volvo FH. Some trucks focus on raw strength. The Volvo FH became famous for making long-distance driving feel surprisingly refined instead. Known for its smooth handling, advanced safety systems, and comfortable cabin, this truck delivers a driving experience that feels far more modern than most heavy-duty machines on the highway today. The new Actros L semi-trailer has taken fuel efficiency to unprecedented levels. According to Mercedes, specialists from the German automaker have redesigned the cab for improved aerodynamics, achieving a 3% fuel savings compared to its predecessor. Additionally, the third-generation OM471 engine further reduces consumption by 4%. This advanced engine incorporates upgraded exhaust gas after treatment and new turbochargers. As always, there are 3 cabin options: Stream Space, Big Space, and Giga Space. Interestingly, Mercedes addresses even minor customer preferences. For instance, you can choose between traditional mirrors or the innovative MirrorCam camera system. It's evident that Mercedes upholds its motto, the best or nothing. Peterbilt 389. The Peterbilt 389 captures the classic American truck look better than almost anything else on the road. With its long hood, massive chrome details, and unmistakable highway presence, the truck feels both powerful and timeless. Even today, the 389 remains one of the most iconic long-haul machines ever built. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.